In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your PS4. Now, this could be a new controller or an old controller that you've disconnected recently and you want to reconnect to the PS4. So the first method we're going to be doing today is we're going to be pressing the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. What this is going to do is this is going to activate the Bluetooth in the device, and you're going to see the LED light on top of the PlayStation controller start blinking. It's a little bit hard to see on the screen with mine, but it is blinking right now. And as you can see on the screen, on the TV screen, it hasn't connected, which means we're going to have to go to method number 2, which I find to be a little bit better. So plug the USB cable into the PlayStation and to the PlayStation controller, and I want you to press the PlayStation button on the controller. Now, this should connect your PlayStation controller to your PlayStation. If it doesn't, then I just try a couple more times. It might not work the first time, but it should work. So as you can see, we're connected based on the blue light on the top indicating we're player 1. And now I'm going to show you where this device has connected.